So now, my good friend Dean asked me to help him figure out how to get this track tensioner out. So let's take a look at this real quick. So Dean couldn't get it out. It's supposed to be a piece of cake. And that was a hard piece of cake, he was saying. But this has a spring here that you push it out and that tightens up your track. But that plate in this washer, it had slipped, the steel had slipped in here and it was sitting over on the side of the hole. So it was sitting in a 1/4-inch gap here, sitting, it needed to go over. We could not pry on it. Then Dean spent a bunch of time on it. Could not get it to do. So he said, hey, let's just try putting my heavy 8,800-pound truck and the chain on it. And we pulled and jerked on it. Let me show you where we, so that.
Hook the chain right here.
Yeah, show him.
Hook the chain around this part right here.
Yeah, and by the way, the guy said don't take this nut off.
It'll kill you.
So we were doing that, hooking onto that. See this hole right here? Okay, it was on top of steel, so it was more than a 1/4 inch. That's like 5/8 of an inch of steel. We needed to get it over, so we pulled it with this chain. And I think we could have probably done it with a come along, but you had a good one. That truck weighs as much as this.
I don't think come along would have done it.
Okay, so that jerking's what did it.
That jerk was what did it.
Yeah, when it came through, it sounded like the chain broke. Pow! And he said it shot out.
Shot out like a bullet.
So that set right here, and the hydraulics, you pump it up.
This wheel
with grease, and then it sits, that wheel sits right here onto it. And that pushes that wheel out there and tightens the...
Yeah. See, it sits like this. It's like this. Except you got to pick it up to get it up there.
It weighs about 40 pounds.
Pretty heavy. Yeah. If I get it in there, I might have to do that again.
Anyway, don't worry about that. He's gonna have to, I'm probably not gonna be here for him.
But then that wheel goes behind it.
It sits in that slot. So.
Then that pumping the grease in the end of it sits right there, right below it.
It sits about right here, inside that tube.
Down below that.
Yeah, down in here.
And this
And
wheel.
it pushes open with the grease.
This wheel, golly, it's more heavy yet.
It sits in that slot right here.
Yeah.
That sits inside these tracks. And that tightens up the tracks. And then Dean, being as youthful as he is mentally, has yet to find out that he can't. His body is still cashing the checks, his mind's writing. So I'm proud of him because he's showing me that I can't quit yet either. Anyway, I want to let you guys know if it gets hung up like that over to one side, it gets that 1/2 inch in between that washer. You can't move it, you can't use pry bars, you can't use all kind. We were trying all kind of things. We ended up using a chain and an 8,800-pound truck and jerked it over and it popped out. All right, that's for a Case TR270. Pulling out a track tensioner. You get it hung up, how do you get it unhung? There you go.